Hi guys, Synthex6 here, and this is my daily Rubik's Cube solve. So this will be my first solve of the day, so let's see how good I do. And regardless if I do good, if I do bad, if my time is 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, I don't care, I'm going to post it. I always post my first solve, no matter what. Okay, so this is the scramble that I got. I'm going to speed up my inspection. Okay, so I think I got the cross. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I don't think um, did I? Oh my god, oh my god, I got so lucky. Oh my god, I got so lucky. That was a big lightning bolt. I forgot. I was thinking, for some reason I thought it was a L. Oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. 'Cause that one is easy. I remember it as RF1 and then FUR. RF1 FUR. And then the opposite is LF1 FUL.